EU court banned halal, an indirect blow to radical Muslims. European Union court had on Friday banned halal kosher slaughter to promote animal welfare. The European court was dismissing a petition by Jewish and Muslim associations challenging an order of the Flemish government in 2017. The Flemish government had prohibited killing of animals without prior non-lethal stunning. The Flemish order had outlawed the Muslim halal and Jewish kosher traditions. Under halal and kosher, a livestock has to be conscious when their throats are slit. In other types of slaughters, the animal is stunned prior to cutting. Halal is meat food prepared by slaughtering the animal with a sharp knife as prescribed in the hadith of Muslims. While halal is permissible in Islam, haram refers to impermissible or unlawful actions by Muslims. Halal meat is part and parcel of Muslim faith, which is the traditional practice of slaughtering animals. The European court has also banned kosher slaughtering, an age-old practice by Jews. Kosher is a term used to describe food that complies with the strict dietary standards of traditional Jewish law. For the Jews, kosher is more than healthy food. It's about reverence and adherence to Jewish tradition. The European court viewed that animals must be stunned before slaughter. Back in India, it was in October that the Supreme Court dismissed a plea seeking a ban on halal form of slaughtering animals for food. The court was hearing a petition filed by Akhand Bharat Morcha. The Morcha pleaded that halal was in violation of Section 28 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. They argued that under halal type of slaughter, the animals go through unnecessary pain. Pronouncing the verdict, the division bench comprising Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul and Justice Dinesh Maheshwari said the court cannot determine who wants or can eat halal meat. Despite the Supreme Court order prevailing, the animal rights campaigners assert that halal gives unnecessary suffering and should be banned. Whereas the judgment by the European Union Court of Justice has annoyed the Muslim and the Jewish community world over. The European Jewish Congress has termed the ban as a heavy blow to Jewish life in Europe. The Belgian Coordination Committee of Islamic Institutions termed it a big disappointment for Muslims. But animal rights activists are a happy lot. They thank the court on behalf of the animals. But there is much more than what meets the eye. Some feel that the decision has more to do with Europe's crackdown on religious minorities. A report on Europe's population said Christians make over 74% and about 19% are irreligious. Just about 6% belong to Muslims. The Hindus, Buddhists and Jews together is about 1%. No wonder the court's verdict could well be a step forward in curbing practices of Muslims and Jews. They might be left with only two options, either eat haram or nothing. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.